What's up, pumpkin heads? Captain Mike here, and I think we need to take this drone for a flight and check out these pumpkins. Let's get to it. You're watching Moby Mike Pumpkins on YouTube.
Good morning, everybody. This is your captain speaking, and we are flying up on the Moby Mike Pumpkin Ranch. We'll get a nice view here. A lot of guys curious about my vine pattern, and you can see the two pumpkin plants coming up here, and the closest one to us is a 2593, and you'll be able to see the vine pattern sweeping back on that one. You'll notice that the plant's a little more filled out the closer to the fence and not so much on the other side of the plant there. And that's because we lost 4 secondaries on that plant early on. And even though I did wrap one around there, it's still taking a little more time to fill in there. And then you'll notice I'm pretty void of vines near the pumpkin. So we'll go ahead and we'll go down to ground control and let them kind of explain that to you.
All right, so you've been looking at the vine pattern with the drone. 2593, we got a secondary. We got a secondary right at the pumpkin and the one right behind that. Okay. Well, this pumpkin's been growing pretty good, and I would have secondaries coming here. That's like the first one I got. I broke one off, and some of them just didn't come out. And the same thing going on with this vine. They're just not poking out here. I haven't even buried it because I'm trying to get them to come out, and they're just not coming. So you'll see in the drone that it's pretty vacant here, obviously. And let me go show you the 2261.
All right, as we're heading over here to the 2261, you can already see, the pattern's the same as far as the sweeping back, but you can see I'm getting the secondaries where I want them to. Unfortunately, the pumpkin growth is a little bit below my standards, we'll say. So just taking a nice look at it here, and then we'll go back down and look at it here from the ground.
All right, now the 2261, we got the same pattern kind of going on here. We got, this is the secondary right at the pumpkin, and then, one right behind it. And look at this. These are all off that secondary. These are all tertiaries here, and that sucker's going all the way around. Then the other side, right off the pumpkin, same thing. Boom, 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 boom. But this pumpkin isn't growing worth a crap. So this thing wants to keep growing plant, but eventually we're going to run out of room real quick, and maybe that'll kick it into gear. But I think this thing was something like 220 pounds less for the week than that one, and it's only one day older, so it should only be like 40 to 50. So anyway, yeah, you'll see that this plant's a little more filled out on the drone, but trying to achieve the same pattern. So we do what we can.
All right, we'll do a little extra flying around here with you on the 2261. I'm going to zoom in on the stump here, and we'll look at the pumpkin and the stem and whatnot. But while we're doing all that, we'll read you the numbers for the week. So on Sunday, 7/18, day 31, this pumpkin was 232 inches for an estimated weight of 292 pounds. So for the week, it averaged 27 pounds a day, and it gained a total of 189 pounds. Now, being as it's on the scale at the time of me recording this, our daily gains are closer to 33, so it is moving up a little bit. Nothing too significant, but I mean, it is what it is, and we got what we got, and we're just going to give her good care, and hopefully because the plant is so good and robust that maybe it won't trail off like normal, even though it doesn't have super big gains. So we'll just hope for the best and hope for that, and we'll see what she does. All right, we'll take a flight back to the 2593. Take a look at that. Same thing. We'll look at the pumpkin. We'll look at the stump on it and see how everything's doing. So on 7/18, this pumpkin would be 32 days old. It was 281 inches for an estimated weight of 512 pounds. It averaged 37 pounds per day, and it did a total of 259 pounds for the week. So pretty good. I'm happy with that. I had done some measurements in between there, and it looks like it's running over 40 pounds a day right now, so that's good. We're coming in on the stem here, and there is one little brown spot on there that I might need to scrape and clean up. But overall, everything on the plant is looking really well. And we'll fast forward here, and we'll look at the stump on this one. If you look at it close, you can see on the right side that it's missing like 4 of those first secondaries. So anyway, is what it is on that, and everything's pretty good. So there you go, some cool drone footage for everyone. I hope you all enjoyed it. So I'm hoping to take the drone to the patch tour, and as long as the growers are cool with it, I'll try and film some of their patches and stuff too, and get some cool shots of that. So should be fun. Nice toy. So we'll catch you guys next time. Got a little visitor at the house today. Come here. Come here, dear. What you think? Where's Mama? Oh no, I'm running away.